What if you could turn a blank QuickBase table into a fully designed branded business form? In about a minute, no Word templates, no PDF editing, no manual layout work. Just describe what you want, and AI builds the form for you. That's Form Engine Spark. We're excited to go live with Spark, your AI form building agent. Spark automates creating business forms, documents, and other assets inside QuickBase for all Form Engine customers, built on our patented technology. With Spark, you can create powerful branded business forms or redesign existing ones simply by describing what you want. It makes your form engine the most powerful modern form builder for your business. Creating a form with Spark is simple. First, create a new dynamic form and point it to the QuickBase table that already contains the fields your form needs. Then open Spark and ask it to build your form. You can even point Spark to a brand, website, or visual style for inspiration. In this example, I'll ask it to build an Amazon-branded form. In about a minute, Spark generates a professionally formatted dynamic form engine HTML form. And here's the form Spark generated. The form includes field placeholders, a title, a logo or logo placeholder, and structured sections with descriptions and grouped fields. From there, you can keep shaping the form with simple prompts. Ask Spark to move or delete sections, rearrange fields, or change formatting. If you make a change you didn't intend, the undo button lets you roll it back instantly. You can also use the new drag and drop layout tools to move elements directly with your mouse. When you're happy with the design, click the Swap Placeholders button, and Spark will replace all placeholders with the live QuickBase fields from your target table. Your form is now fully functional. Add some final configuration, like formatting file attachment fields for signatures and selecting the field that will store generated PDFs of completed forms. Spark works with any QuickBase application. Your target table simply needs the fields you want included in the form. Spark already makes Form Engine the most powerful form builder QuickBase users have ever had, because the first mile of your business, where requests, orders, and agreements begin, shouldn't start with paperwork. Form Engine Spark is now live for all Form Engine customers, and this is only version 1.